broad based ingokonyera mwananchi anene aso address challenges chinyinge chiri bagendete gwetera
as a whole. Let me tell you, the most unfortunate president what
why do you call him unfortunate? Okay.
But very quite knowledge what he has done.
Okay.
I like history. As a student of Raila, I love history. Kibaki etu amburuaneti sana.
Okay.
Tuna babo James Orengo. Paka kentoro KCC matokea chakire wote. Witu. Lakini lero igore ngako tebanga the best president we ever had was Kibaki. A time will reach about the best president we ever had was, to be honest, in this short time, I can say. I do business in Nairobi, or the Talanta Stadium. There are many stadiums coming up. About summit will encourage you. Even today being a corre. But there is that energy. Actually, was an embryo that embe or na correct kende bantumbari corora.
Right.
However, I also blame they should be giving out this information regularly through media, mainstream media, social media. Fine, tara kerania. Lakini incho mwenye na achire nalitali I've treated na sha.
So it works.
Shower.
Right, that's according to you. But rende twarulira bangi bagotebanga it's not working.
Truth. Shower.
Right.
Shower. Apart from me, I had a patient who passed away with my father. I saw shower working. But I work. Until that day you'll find yourself in hospital.
Right. Asante sana mheshimiwa Asenge Nchonga Nigo.